Hello, welcome to my channel, Sewing at Home Mom. In today's video, I would like to teach you how to fix loose hem on your trousers, on your dress pants. For this, we will be using a blind stitch technique. It's quite easy to do. To make sure you learn quicker, for the purpose of this video, the thread that I'm using a yellow one to make a contrast so you can see how this can be done. So hopefully you learn that pretty quickly and then you can do awesome job fixing your pants. So let's get to it. So we've got the thread, the scissors, and the needle. These are the supplies that we need to have this hem fixed. So we will be doing, like I said, the invisible stitch technique. So let's put the hem back inside that fold. I'm assuming that you don't need to shorten this or you don't need to lengthen this. I will show you in my next video. I will teach you how to shorten pants. So here we're gonna be only fixing it, like rehemming it pretty much. So you wanna turn your pant inside out to have this hem like that, okay? Now grab your needle. You got the ends, the knot on the end of the thread, just on the single thread. Don't connect these two. You don't want to connect these two because then they will get too bulky. And then we start sewing. So we will secure the thread just to make sure it's not gonna go anywhere. You can see it here. We got the knot, and let's continue. So for this reason, we're gonna fold, make a little fold out of that hem. That's the overlock on top of the end of the fabric, end of the pants, right? So we've got that, and let's reinforce that. Gonna get my needle through the loop of the thread and then pull. Got it? Now we will be grabbing just one thread over here, right? Okay, so we've got that. And then it's your preference which way you want to continue the stitch, right or left. So I actually will be going that way. So we're gonna just grab one or a couple more threads, pull, and then again, and pull. I don't know if you noticed, but I grab one thread on that side and then couple on the other side. And now I'm just gonna repeat that. So I will grab just one on that part of the fabric to make sure it will not show on the right side of the pants. So you don't want any thread to be visible on the right side of your clothes. You can use the same technique for your skirt if it requires blind stitch as well. So that's a pretty handy technique. Once you learn it, you'll be using it a lot. So I'm grabbing just one thread. I don't know if you can see it, hopefully. And then right away I'm grabbing onto that loose hem, a little bit more than one, as much as I can. Well, not too much, just like a couple, 2, 3, to make sure it will be strong. So again, hopefully you can see, just one and few, and then pull. And again, just one, grab some of the loose one, pull. And then we're gonna continue that all around. Don't make the stitches too big. You don't want them too long, right? Because otherwise it wouldn't hold the hem nicely. So I'm gonna secure it, get the needle right inside between the two fabrics, between the two hems, pull it. I've got my knot over here, so it's nice and secure. Got my thread sticking out here, so now it's safe to cut the thread off, and it should not become loose. Off, nicely done. Let's check it out. If I pull on it, nothing's happening. So this is the contrast, so you can see how that looks. So this is the left side. Obviously you can see it to be a little bit visible, but it's awesome on the other side. You can't notice anything. That's why we call it a blind stitch. So it's well done. I will now go ahead and fix this up with the black thread, so it will be done the way it should be. Hopefully you learned something. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe so I can make some more videos. Thank you for watching Sewing at Home Mom.